Hello everyone, this is Julio from Fitness Foundry and I hope you are well. Before I go any further, if you could be nice enough and hit that subscribe button. So the topic for today will be METS, Metabolic of Equivalent of Task, and what you are seeing right now is my website, fitnessfoundry.net. I am going to show you how to use my website where I have some awesome calculators to help you choose the best activity that's conducive to weight loss. Once again, I am going to show you how to use the METS system or metric to help you choose the activities that are the most conducive for caloric expenditures. Your time is valuable, and as you probably already know, I am a big advocate of education. And by the way, everything that I'm sharing with you is from my book, Breakout or Breaking Even, 3-Step Method for Long-Term Weight Loss. So let's jump right to it. So we go to fitnessfoundry.net, and then once we're here, we will go to resources. Resources, notice calculators, I have testimonials, forums, etc. Once we are here, you're going to notice a whole bunch of different calculators, ranging from how many calories, how much you can expect to lose in the short term and long term. As we go down, it could be 1 pound per week, and how long it would take. BMR, basal metabolic rate for men and women. And I have two different formulas. One is the Catch-Mercado, and the other one, if I remember correctly, is the Harris-Benedict. One uses your body fat percentage, the other one does not. But that's for another video. So as I keep going down, ta-da, caloric expenditure using METS. Okay, so let's do a little bit review of what METS is. What I added on my website is actually a list to the compendium of physical activities. This has just about everything that you can think of for activity, and it is updated. They do it every couple of years, so it has everything from walking to swimming to bicycling, etc. Even, oh, we don't want to go there. Anything you can think of, conditioning exercises, group X, skiing, yoga. So what you're noticing over here is it says METS, it's an assigned value to the activity. And then we use that number in the calculator I'm going to show you, and it's going to help us get an estimate how many calories you're going to burn. And of course, once we have that unit, we need to know your weight and the amount of time you're going to exert, or that amount of METS for that amount of time, that duration. So let's use like one example. We'll say we're going to walk for about at a 2.5 miles an hour rate, and that's about 3 METS. So I'm going to put 3 METS, 2.5 miles. That's about normal. Let's say you're 200 pounds. You walk for 15 minutes. You will burn around 67.5 calories. Okay, so for that same duration of time, 15 minutes, say I chose an exercise or cardio equipment that's like a step mill. And if I go to METS, it will hover around 9 METS. To the physical compendium list that I showed you. We'll say it's a value of 9. Same weight, same time, voila. So for that same amount of time, I am burning 200 calories. That's much better than 67 calories. So this is just an example of how using science and using the tools that are available to you, I'm not going to say my tools because they're available to everyone, can help you make better decisions with your time. And once again, everything I'm discussing with is from my book, Breakout or Break Even. It is available on Amazon, in ebook, and in print, iBook, Kindle, and everything else, Kobo. So that's about it. Let me know what you think. Please post your comments and stay connected.